Okay, so looking at Fisker stock, it looks like it's doing pretty well overall. It did get knocked down recently, so just a quick recap overall. Closed at $12.51 as of May 25th, 2021. I've mentioned the downward trend resistance lines in the past. So for example, in case you're new to the channel, tests it, gets knocked down. So first touch point, second touch point right here gets knocked down, and third touch point gets knocked down. So clean touch points just dropping right there. It did pass it and then had another downward trend resistance line. I think it coincided with the markets. I think that's what it was from my recollection. And then it dropped down, went back up to the upside, broke through the resistance line. So overall, personally, I think it's in good shape right now. It's consolidating between these levels, like it has in the past. For example, between these levels. So in the past, it consolidated between these levels, more specifically in August 6, 2020 till August 25th, 2020. So roughly about almost a full month. And that looks like what it might be happening right now. So consolidating between roughly the low $12 price point, so $12.05, shows $12.27 as of today, and then maxing out at $13 price point, like probably $12.93, $12.95, $12.98 as of today. So it could be doing that for some time. Now, it is above all three moving averages, and that is a positive. The reason why is, in case you're new to the channel too, what I mean by that is it could act as support. Is if it does drop down, it could bounce off as one of the moving averages as support. Now that's not a guarantee. It could go lower, but that is a possibility, and I've seen that before where it bounces off as support, or if it's below it, it could act as resistance. The only downfall I have about this, besides the fact that technically this is a long-term play because you have to wait until the Ocean vehicle comes out, sales numbers come in, revenue shows, and all that stuff. But the fact that right now the MAC line, in terms of 3-month movement, this is a 3-month chart right now we're looking at, it is bearish right now. So it's not optimistic, but I'm not too concerned about that. I think it's just probably it's more indicating that it's going to be a little bit prolonged consolidation period of time. I would say at least until probably by June, at least until June 1st, minimum. Because by the time this upward trend support line meets this consolidation period, it's not a guarantee it could hold. So essentially like this, just to visually show, in case if it just starts keeps consolidating to this level, and hopefully this upward trend support line does hold. If it does, awesome. At least it can start consolidating to the next level, which is between $13 to $13.50, give or take, plus or minus a few cents. And hopefully that happens and then continues to the upside further along from there. But overall, I think it's doing pretty good. And that's it for this video. I apologize for how short it is. Hopefully you found it helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, consider dropping a like. It does help the channel, so thank you so much for that. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you like videos like this or other stock videos or other financial videos, consider subscribing so you'll be notified when I do upload those videos. And that's all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.